What if we would like to add a new user, create a new type of organization? Well, we'll have to go and follow the same process as before. First of all, go to sign up page and click the sign up button. Fill out all the required information and agree to all terms and conditions. Check your mailbox and then activate your account. Log in. And remember that you have to scan the QR code to fortify the entire connection with the second factor. Select next, copy all of the additional codes or download them, and save the backup files. Now you have to create organization. In my case, it's going to be like that. Get access. This is another step that you have to get. Click continue. And yeah, of course, there will be nothing inside of it. So to make it happen, now we'll have to add a gateway. Go to the name of the profile. Under the Manage Organization section, select Get Fudo. On the left-hand side, there's a category called Gateways. We'll have to add a new one. But in order to do so, we'll have to add that user on the end of the Fudo Enterprise. Select also the safe to which that particular user will have an access to, and change the role for this user for superadmin. All seem to be saved. You can go to Fudo ShareAccess page, and let's get back to the main one.